In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your inactive friends on Facebook and replace them with hyper-targeted fresh leads. To do this, we're going to use an amazing software called Friender. It's your organic marketing best friend. We're simply going to scroll through our friends list and find the inactive friends we want to unfriend. I'm going to be looking for friends that have been on my friends list for more than 30 days but have not commented or engaged in any of my content so far, and also I haven't had any messenger conversations with. The reason I'll be targeting these friends for unfriending is they've already been friends with me for a month, but don't seem to like or engage with any of my content. So that tells me they are most likely never going to be the type of people who buy my software products, which is what I sell via organic marketing on Facebook. And since I'm really close to the 5,000 friend max limit set by Facebook, I need to make room for new hyper-targeted fresh leads I can add to my friends list. So I'm just searching through looking for friends older than 30 days with 0 comments, 0 reactions, and 0 messages. Then I will just click the checkbox next to them. If I wanted to go faster, I could just use the filters at the top and sort everyone by 0 comments or 0 reactions or 0 messages, or even sort via age. By default, the sort is based on my most engaged friends at the top and the least engaged friends at the bottom. So I'll just select however many I want to unfriend. I'm going to select about 10 or 12 to unfriend right now. Once I have everyone I want to unfriend selected, I'll just click the blue actions button at the top right and then click unfriend. The software will then automatically start to unfriend the selected people in a way that mimics human behavior, so that Facebook doesn't even realize it's a software unfriending people. And just like that, I'll start to get more space on my friends list where I can now replace them with fresh, hyper-targeted leads using the same epic fucking software. I can keep track of all the people I've unfriended using Friender by checking out the Unfriended tab. Here I'll see all the people I've unfriended with Friender and how long ago I've unfriended them. This is important because in Friender there's a setting I have turned on where I don't want to re-add these people as friends again, meaning I don't want to send out friend requests to people I've previously unfriended. I'm sure that makes perfect sense to you. Why would you want to unfriend people who aren't engaging with you only to send them friend requests again and re-add them to your friends list so they can ignore you again? It just doesn't make sense, right? But don't worry, Friender has you covered there. You can also check out the Lost tab. In this tab, you'll find all the people who have unfriended you, meaning these people used to be on your friends list, but now they aren't, and you didn't use Friender to unfriend them, so they must have unfriended you for some reason. And don't worry, there's also a setting in Friender we can turn on that prevents us from sending friend requests to people we've been friends with before. So when we are sending out friend requests, we won't send out any friend requests to any of these lost people. You know, the people who unfriended me. This is great as these people have already unfriended us. They didn't want to be our friend. Hopefully, due to our polarizing content, we are putting out as part of our organic marketing process. So we just don't want to re-friend these people either. This is one of the reasons I really love Friender, as no other software does this. Any other similar software will just send out friend requests to people I've unfriended or people who have unfriended me, and that's stupid. But Friender is smart. It really is my organic marketing best friend. So now that we've unfriended a bunch of people who don't engage with us, let's replace them with some hyper-targeted leads using Friender. This part is also going to be surprisingly easy and automated. First, we're just going to go to a group where we know our target customers hang out in. This is our first filter, as basically only the types of people that buy our software are hanging out inside this group. So we go to the Members tab in the group. Then we are just going to click on the Friender icon on our browser. This will pop up the Friender window where we can set some settings and filters around sending friend requests. We can set how much time to wait between sending friend requests. We can set how many friend requests we want to send out. We have a gender filter if we only want to send friend requests to women for some reason. There's a country filter if we only want to send friend requests to people from the United States, let's say. We have keyword filters. For mine, I'm using CEO, owner, marketer, affiliate, entrepreneur, etc., as those are the types of leads I'm looking to connect with. There are negative keywords. If any of these keywords are found, we will not send out a friend request even if all our other filters match. Finding a negative keyword overrides all other filters, and if found, we won't send a friend request to that person. Once we set up all our settings, we just click Save. Then we can click Run on Friender, and Friender will now start to automatically look at each member in the group and determine if it should send a friend request or not. We can now go play ball with our kids if we want, because Friender will continue on autopilot. We will be able to keep track of all the friend requests we sent on this same Friender screen, where we can see how many profiles we've searched through and how many friend requests have been sent. We can also check inside the Friender dashboard on the Pending Request tab to see sent friend requests and even the keywords that triggered sending the friend request. If they accept our friend request, they will be moved over to our Friends tab and we'll know the source they came from in case we don't want to unfriend people from this source. Now I've removed a bunch of inactive friends on Facebook and made room for new fresh targeted leads on my friends list. And Friender is finding those fresh targeted leads automatically for me and adding them to my friends list. And there's so much fucking more you can do with Friender, your organic marketing best friend.